Here we go, Kaylin. Head up.
Nice.
There we go, behind, keep it behind.
Get your legs up.
Get your base underneath you.
There you go.
Hook the ankle, hook the ankle. Step over the ankle.
Hook the ankle.
Climb up the body. Got it. Heavy hips, heavy hips.
Boy, red or blue? Nice work, Kaylin.
Here we go, Kaylin. Head up, head up. Head up.
Get your head up.
There we go.
Use your time. Watch it. Hips up. Get your head up. Our team doesn't get our hips up very much when we're in that position.
Keep your head up, Kaylin. There we go. Snap it, snap it, snap it. Circle. Butt up, butt up. Butt up. Knees wide, knees wide.
Get your butt back. Kick it.
Good defense, Kaylin. There we go. Let's use that. Let's use that. Nice. Circle behind. Circle behind. Keep circling. Good job. Straight to it. Straight to it. Drive your feet. Out to the side.
Drive it.
Good job, Kaylin. Back to that 2-on-1. Back to that 2-on-1.
Cute little braids.
There we go.
Watch out.
Hips down. Push off the hip. Push off the hip.